Today we are going to study next topic, that is chemical displacement. Before that we need to perform this activity. Conduct this activity, activity 1.9. In this activity we have to take copper sulfate solution and we have to dip iron nail. Okay, iron nail ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ರಿಬ್ಬನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಏನು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, let us make copper sulfate solution first. So this is copper sulfate. What was the color of copper sulfate?
Blue.
That also we have seen. Okay. It was blue. Now also it is blue. Okay. Then it is blue color. So I have to make it solution. In solution ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we need to add water. ನೋಡಿ water ಹಾಕಿದೆ. Okay, what is the color of the solution? Blue color is the solution. Okay?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Ba Harshita. Ninu ba. Both Harshitas. Hold this. In Harshita's hand what is there? Copper sulfate
Solution.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡೋಣ solution. What is the color?
Blue.
Blue color. Yeah, it is what? Blue color solution you hold. Okay, ಈಗ ಐರನ್ ನೇಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. This is what?
Iron nail.
Okay, right. See, observe the color of iron nail. Here we have so many iron nails. ಎರಡು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಎರಡು. Observe the color of the iron nail. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ? Pause. Color of magnesium ribbon. See, ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ? magnesium ribbon. ಇದನ್ನ ಟೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐರನ್ ನೇಲ್ಗೂ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೈ. All of you have observed what is the color of iron nail. Now you have to observe the change. Now I will dip this iron nail in this copper sulfate solution. You have to observe the change in the color. Okay, iron nail color ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಕಲರ್. See the color? Pause. Ribbon. Here also you have to observe the color. ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಸು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
See the colors. Activity, you have observed the change in color of iron nail and magnesium ribbon. ಯಾಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು? What is the reason behind this? What reaction is taking place and what type of reaction is this one? We are going to study now. Okay.